is going on? Welcome back to another video. Today we are going to take a look at West Sand Lake on Route 43. This is kind of a continuation video of the Averill Park video that I posted last week. So if you haven't checked that out, go check that out in our videos list. Pretty cool. I like it out here. You know, we took a drive through here during rush hour and I never really noticed it, but there seemed to be a lot of cars out here and I never remember it being that busy here. But yeah, I mean, other than that, not bad. You know, there must be a lot of things going on out here, which is a good thing. So stick around till the end of this video. Nice little sunset view when we get back out to Route 4 at the very end of the video. So stick around for that. Also, I think I caught a cold when I was out at the Schuyler Flats. Not good. So I'm going to try to get better, get back out there, get you guys some more videos. But it is going to be extremely cold. Below 10 degrees the next coming week, I believe. So it's going to be a crazy week for the most part. But stick around to the end of the video. I'll talk to you then, and have a good one.